Natural homemade beauty recipes are the most efficient way to get flawless, fresh and bright skin. If your skin looks tired and dull lately, then let me tell you about this amazing mask. This face mask will revive your skin color, brighten it up and will benefit your oily skin very much. Cornstarch contains vitamin A, which is responsible for color correcting dark spots on your face. It also contains iron and calcium, which are responsible for skin cells renewal. Cornstarch is also beneficial for oily skin, as it gets rid of the annoying excessive oil in your skin and it regulates the level of fats your skin produces every day. This face mask contains a good amount of protein, enough to provide your skin with natural collagen that eventually makes you look younger and fresher. So, let's get started. All we need here is 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all ingredients very well together until they form a paste. And before you apply this mask on your face, make sure it's clean and dry. Apply the mask on your face and neck and make sure it's very well covered with a thick layer of the mixture. Leave it on your face for about 20 minutes or until it dries and then wash it off with cool water. Repeat this process once per week and watch your face brighten and your skin feel softer and look younger. And make sure to do a patch test first to see your skin's reaction to cornstarch before applying it on your face. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend.